Hey everyone, in today's video we will guide you through how to recover Roblox account without email or password. So let's get started. So before you go with further process, make sure that your phone number is associated with the Roblox account during the login process. Now simply click on the forget password or username option available right below the login. After you tap on it, you will be navigated to email, reset your password or enter your email. Now simply click on use phone number to reset password. You can see that option available right below the submit icon. Tap on it. After you tap on it, you can see you will have to enter your phone number. Now set your country or region and then enter your phone number and continue with the process. Roblox will send you a verification code to confirm your identity. Then enter your code and you will regain access to your Roblox account. By following these steps and remaining persistent, you will recover your Roblox account without access to the email or password associated with it. Thank you for watching our video. Please like, share and subscribe.